recursive functions in C++. So here's what you'll learn. You'll be able to define what a recursive function is, and also we'll look at the factorial function. So a recursive function is a function that calls itself. Think about a function calling itself. Instead of calling it in main, it calls itself. Right. Write a function recursively to determine the factorial of a given number. The logic. So for you to find a factorial for a number, this is a formula. N factorial is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. So which means that if you're finding 3 factorial, is basically 3 by 2 multiplied by 1. N is 3, then n minus 1 is 3 minus 1, thereby having 3 by 2 factorial, where 2 factorial is also 2 by 1 factorial, right? 0 and 1 factorial both should return 1. Fact, then it will receive int n. Then we know that if n is equal to 0 or n is 1, then we know that the factorial of 0 or 1 is 1, right? So I'm going to say if n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, then return 1, right? Else return n multiplied by fact of n minus 1. The factorial of n minus 1, just following the formula I already gave you, so n minus 1, like that. And I'll say cout fact. If I pass in 3, my output should be 6. That's how I know it works. So there you have it, 6. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. So by the way, if you want to get more notes about this topic, if you're a student, you want more practice problems, you can click on the link in the description to join our platform. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then.